Christina. Yeah.
Wanna cheat on me? Oh, I got something for you.
Goddamn, what the fuck, Christina? You hit me in the head, I'm tied up, Christina. She slapped me in the face, don't speak to me, cheater. My sister, cousin, friends got pictures of you with Tina. What? Tina who? The bitch you fucking with that heavy little dick, small fry McLovin. Took a knife to my throat and my leg, she stuck it. Oh, she mean business, so I was like, fuck it. I love you, baby. I tell you it was nothing. The picture fabricated, your friends, you can't trust them. No, nigga, I can't trust you with your thirsty webpage on Facebook News. She punched me in my belly, took off my shoe, dancing with a hammer. Bitch, what you finna do? Girl, you can't hurt, I ain't cheating on you. She swung as hard as she couldn't, started singing off tune. My girl is so crazy, crazy. My girl is too crazy, crazy. She told me crazy, crazy, but she only crazy for me, me. My girl is so crazy, crazy. My girl is too crazy, crazy. Shorty, you so crazy, crazy, but she only get crazy for me. Almost passed out, my chair fell over. She standing over with a knife she was holding, screaming and crying. She yelled out this: damn, you messed up. You a piece of shit. You deserve to die. You gon' cheat and lie. Give you one last chance. You should say goodbye. Well, I love you, baby. I really do. Then she left for a minute. Nigga, I was confused, looking around for a weapon or something to use. Started wiggling my arm, then my hand came loose. Then she boxed in with a box of tools and screamed, "World star, I got something for you." Grabbed a bottle full of vodka and a match in the panic. We gon' let it burn, motherfucker, fire challenge. Cover me in liquor and kiss my cheek. Everything went black till I felt the heat. Oh, my girl is so crazy, crazy. My girl is too crazy, crazy. She told me crazy, crazy, but she only crazy for me, me. My girl is so crazy, crazy. My girl is too crazy, crazy. Shorty, you so crazy, crazy, but she only get crazy for me. Everyone from Oklahoma know we love to party. You from here and I'm from here, so let's just throw a party. Sipping out of solo cups like Toby Keith, I party. Hip hop or it's country or it's reggae, we gon'